Hi everyone! Today in this fast tutorial, I will explain to you how to use 3D components in Autodesk Eagle. Well, for the first step, you need to download the components 3D model. I recommend you download these models on GrabCAD.com. In the site, you can find a variety of components models. For this tutorial, I will use a SP32 model. It's important that the model file are in STEP or STP file because Eagle just accepted these two formats for 3D models. After the download, in Eagle you need to find the library for you add the 3D model. In this case, I go in Library and select SP32 Rover. I will click with right button of the mouse and selected Create Management Library. I will click in Create, wait for a minute, click in OK, and now that is my management library. In this step, I will click with right button and go in Open. After this, I will go into 3D Package, click right button and go in Edit. In this screen, you can edit or add a new 3D model. For example, I will remove this old 3D model and go in Upload. Now I will search for my downloaded 3D model and the upload beginning. We needed to wait for a small time because the 3D model is staying uploaded to Autodesk servers. After the upload, we needed to do some adjustments on the component displacement. For this, we need to use a coordinate system on the component. Now I just will adjust this component. And after to do this, I will click on OK. Now click OK again. Now the 3D package stays on the component. For this, I will create a simple schematic to show these details. Well, I just created a simple example. I import the SP32 component to my schematic and create a simple layout with just a footprint. Now I go in Fusion 360. Now I will create a new Fusion 360 design. Click in Next. Create like a admin project. OK. Now you can see the footprint and the component has the 3D package. Now I just go in Push. Just remember you need to create an account on Autodesk because most part of the services is online. You can export this format like a step or another extension file and open this project on Fusion 360. But in this time, I will show to you how to use the online service of Autodesk. After this, I will click in View on Web. And in your navigator, you can see this 3D project. After you enter your admin project, I will click on my view. And now you can visualize the 3D model. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.